Alright guys, so today what we're doing is we're going to throw some rock lights on the Big D. My brother is also working on the Panda a little bit.
Yeah. Alright, so what we're doing is we're capping frame rails right here. So what we got to do is, since my California brother doesn't know how to drive in the snow, he smacked into something, and now we're replacing the front end basically to the whole vehicle. We had to cut out the intrusion bar because it's all bent up and messed up. Now we're working on capping the frame rails. So we're gonna cut this off, we're gonna shorten up, put a custom bumper on it, make it look pretty sweet. This is the steel that we're using. It's rusty because we're poors.
We're poors people.
Send money.
Send money, help.
Help. Help. Help. I'm gonna show you guys my safety glasses. Ready? I'm gonna show you my safety glasses. You ready? Here it is. If you guys want one of these masks, it's by Cold Blooded Art. Cold Blooded Art, if you want to sponsor the channel, AFG. And we're good to go. All right, so what we got going on is we're gonna dress this up for welding. So I was a welder by trade in Los Angeles. So how we gotta actually dress this up is we gotta clean all the crap off from our weld zone. Make sure we got nice, good penetration and on the weld, so stuff doesn't fall off when we're driving down the road. So I'm gonna clean up about a 1/2 inch, 3/4 of an inch past my weld zone, and we're gonna call it good and start burning some wire. Okay, that's what's called a pivot tack. I'm gonna jump over here, take over yours. Yeah. Oh yeah. Is it on? Is it on? Is it on?
Yeah.
Okay. And these are for your underglow, correct?
No, rock lights.
Oh, rock
They're
lights.
Rock lights.
So just quick question.
They're like the cooler version of underglow, and underglow's lame because it's like tube lights. It's like fluorescence. They're basically fluorescence.
I don't know. I think you could do a Christmas lights. Right now, I just want everything clean so I don't run a screw into a random wire sitting somewhere. That's my one concern.
Be careful, man.
What?
Careful.
Careful with what?
Careful. I worked hard on that.
Hard on what? What are you talking
That.
about?
I worked hard on all that.
This is not working hard.
Dang, he actually did it.
Yeah, still got some cleanup to do. You know, want to make it look sexy, but yeah, that's pretty much where it's going to be. Nice sturdy mount. Yeah.
So as far as the rock lights go, we don't have the right bit to make some of the holes in the fender wells, so we're gonna go home where we have the bits, and then we're gonna finish installing the rock lights down there.
Okay. Alright, put the hardware on.
Alright, so we decided for the rear fender wells, we're gonna take these little C-clips, and then we're gonna attach the wire all the way through here. Alright, so the cord was actually too short to run along the frame rail all the way to the hood. So what we did is we took it straight through here and underneath, and then we actually drilled a hole right next to the seat. right here and ran it through there. So now we're wiring the main control box through this grommet in here. We're hoping to get it mounted maybe right here. This thing is the negative. Yeah, that's mine. That's mine. So I guess Nicholas is gonna tape one of the wires to the antenna and then run it under the carpet. We'll see how this works. I don't know. I have my doubts. Look at that. I mean, it's a little janky. There's a hole in my rug, but it's okay. Check it out. Got her all up and running. I'll show you guys at nighttime. Hopefully the light bar comes in soon. That way we can throw it on there and get it all set up. But yeah, we hooked it up to our switchboard from Oxbeam right here. Got all the wiring set up. So now we're just waiting on the light bar. All right, so we've got the mounts on. Time to throw her up on top.
Why don't you guys take this time to zoom in on Matthew's nose hairs? They're substantial.
I'm flying, Jack. I'm flying.
What? Dad, does it look like it is wired? Come on, man. Are you cross-threading it?
Talking about?
Do you know what cross-threading means?
I'm putting it in.
Give me some lean. Some nice press. Yeah, very nice, very nice.
Give me that press real quick.
Well, are you cross-threading it?
Oh,
Are you cross-threading
You're
it?
over there like just...
Special needs.
No,
you
you
give me
stay
some
there.
press?
No, you stay there.
Oh, I'm gonna stay here.
Okay. Go ahead.
I'll
No,
do
let
this.
go of the wrench.
No, I'll do this.
No, you
no,
won't.
I'll do this. You go over there.
No, because you're
No,
gonna
give me
cross-thread
some
it.
press.
Look how you're all
Give
up
me-
the threads, dude.
What?
Stop. Stop.
Go give me some
Stop.
press.
Stop. Push on the bracket. Everything started. Now we gotta finish our whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Right.
Are you okay? Did you mess it up?
No.
My turn.
I put one in. Always expects credit.
Back there, step back there and tell me if it looks level. There you go. Get up on yours.
Get up.
Get up. You should do the black one.
What did you say?
I said this is an amazing facility to work on vehicles.
You're welcome.
Yeah. This has all got to get cleaned up, obviously.